Good morning all. Today our topic is SAP. The full form of SAP is System Applications and Products in Data Processing. And this video is for freshers who want to know about SAP and who want to join their career in SAP. They can know which module is suitable for them. Let's go into the video. Definition. SAP is a software. What is SAP? SAP is a software. For what purpose this software is used? For managing of the business process. Why a software is required for managing of business process? Because if there is a small business, then they can store the data in a form of Excel, Word, or any notes, anything. But if we take any big huge businesses, they have to have a software. So we will use one software, and SAP is one of the successful software we are using. And it is also used ERP concept. ERP is a successful business process concept, and it also process of data is also very good in SAP. Like what we will do, like a creation of new data, changes to the existing data, deletion, like that. So let's talk about the ERP first. ERP. ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a concept. What enterprise means? It's a business. Resource means what are the resources you require to run a business? Firstly, money, then manpower, machinery, material. So total ERP concept is successful planning of the resources in the business. Example: Oracle, SAP, Tally, Microsoft Dynamics, etc. are using this ERP concept only. Next, what is business data? The data which is related to business is called business data. For example, for to successful running of the business, we require the customers. The data related to customer we will maintain. That is customer data. And how many materials you are producing, and what are the types of the materials, and what are the size of the material, like about everything of the material, like it is called as the material data. Vendor, from where you are procuring the materials, from vendors or suppliers we call. So the supplier data we have to there, and purchase order data. When you are purchasing any material from vendors or suppliers, then we have to raise a purchase order in SAP. Those data is called as purchase order data. Next, when you are selling any product to the customer, then we have to raise a sales order. The data related to the sales order is called sales order data. Like these type of many data will be there in a business to run a successful business. This is called as a business data. What is business process? Before going to business process, what is business? What we will do in business? Generally, we will buy and sell of a product in a business. If you take any manufacturing or any company, then they won't buy and sell material. They will produce the material and then sell the material. So we will take that producing of the material and selling of the material. So what is the process? First, to produce a material, we should require raw materials. So procurement of raw material is the first activity done. Next, after procuring the raw materials, we will produce the material from the raw material. Like we will manufacture from raw material to the materials. Then, after material is created, we will not sell directly to the customer. Firstly, we have to test whether the material is fine or not. So that is testing of the material. After testing, we can directly sell to the customer. In this selling to the customer or procuring of raw materials from vendors, we have some money flow, and for every process we require the human involvement. So we require human power. Next, for these business activities, what are the respective teams in SAP? Firstly, in SAP, MM team is there, which will procure a raw material from the vendors or suppliers. After procuring raw materials, PP team will come into picture. SAP PP team, production planning team. What they will do? They will plan how much materials we have to produce. According to that, engineering team or manufacturing team will be there. They will produce the materials. After material produced, there is a QM team, quality maintenance team in SAP, who will test the products in variety test cases by using variety test cases. After testing is done, then we will sell to the customer. For that, ST, sales and distribution team will take care. They will sell material to the customer and also they will deliver also. Next, finance team, SAP finance team. They will take care of all money flow activities. Where is the money flow is there, SAP finance team will come. And HR, human resource team, where the human power is required, like employees, labor, or engineering team. Where are the HR employees required, humans required, HR team will comes into the picture. Next, until now we discussed about the functional team. Now we will discuss about the technical team. For all the standard, SAP functional team can maintain. But if the customer needs any, client needs any customized things which are not in standard SAP, then we have to take help of this technical team. These are called as developers, and they use a programming language ABAP, Advanced Business Application Program. Mainly does RISE-up activities. RISE-up means reports, interface, conversions, enhancements, forms, workflows. Next, administration team. In SAP, we will call them as basis team. What they will do? They will do installation of SAP, creation of new user IDs, passwords for the SAP users, and they will give only access to some sanction for some people. Like for MM team guys, they will give only purchasing related activities access. HT guys, sales related. FI guys, finance related T codes, they will provide access. Next year moments. If we develop anything in one client, we want to move to another client, we will call a server. From one server to one server, if we want to move any development, then it is called a transport request. For those movement from one server to another server, we done the basis team. That's all guys. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Thank you.